Welcome to Beyond the Press channel.
Hello,
I'm Lauri.
and I'm Pommi Henkka from Pommijätkät.
And today we are going to demonstrate which is the absolutely worst way to light up the bonfire.
Yeah.
So you have built beautiful bonfire there.
Yep.
It looks bit wet, it might be hard to ignite.
Yeah, it's quite fresh as
Yeah.
you see, but inside of those fresh leaves there is a dry wood,
Yeah.
lots of.
And there is like a plan to this madness. Our plan is to demonstrate the gasoline bonfire explosion. So the traditional bonfire, big pile of stuff, 10 liters of gasoline, waits 10 minutes. The gasoline is generated giant gas vapor cloud, and then when you go to ignite it you are going to ignite just the gas vapors and yourself, and the bonfire doesn't catch on fire at all.
Yeah, and that's bad result.
Okay, so we are ready. Regular propane cylinder. And I have the nozzles there. They are on full power and handles taped on. So when we add gas from here, it's going to fill that there. And now it's full flow rate. This is adjustable, so it's much more gas than on your barbecue set. And then to maximize the stupidity, let's add it raw as a liquid. And it doesn't sink into the ground because the vapor point is so low that it's going to turn into gas really fast. Yeah, and now we wait, let's say 10 minutes. And hey, don't ever do anything like this. Don't use gasoline, and definitely don't use this. You are going to see soon why. Holy shit, we are going to add lots there. You can smell it like 20 meters away.
3, 2, 1!
Okay, it was a bit too heavy maybe. Didn't get anything flying.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we were a bit too confident after our previous fuel air explosion video. Here you can see nicely that what happens when you have too rich mixture. It didn't like detonate, it like burned really richly, and you can see all the shot and everything coming out. So that's why it didn't like make a huge bang that sometimes you see with the badly lit bonfires. And there was also some like small extra surprise. It wasn't just the propane. And for comparison, here is like what happens when fuel air mixture really explodes and not burn slowly. And you can get similar, not maybe this good, but pretty bad results with the bonfires if you are really unlucky. So definitely don't use gasoline or any other hydrocarbon that has a vapor point that allows it to turn into like gas cloud inside of your bonfire, or you might get this and all the stuff flying towards you. But still pretty nice. The like mushroom cloud is always good thing to have on nice summer day. And now this is like Finnish midsummer, so you have to burn the giant bonfire, and then usually you don't have to, but many people choose to burn their saunas. So Henry has made here a nice sauna building in the middle of the field.
Yes.
And now we are going to demonstrate classical Finnish juhannus sauna fire.
Edestä on kivan näköinen. Anna!
Tulee parvekin on. I think it's pretty cool. Let's light it up. Okay, so that was the traditional Juhannus experience, midsummer in English. and don't burn your sauna and don't explode your bonfire. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.